Live streaming is on.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Like I said yesterday, I'm just going to go over that worksheet that I posted after we worked on percentages yesterday. So the first, I'm not sure if it's the first one, I think it was number 2, said one baseball team played 20 games throughout the entire season. If this baseball team won 14 of those games, then what percentage of the game did they win? Oop. So I've got they won 12, so it's 114. Okay. So how are we going to think about this? So we're just going to put into a fraction. They won 14 out of their 20 games. Okay. And now we know we can reduce that to 7 over 10. Okay. And then to convert that to a decimal, we're going to divide the denominator into the numerator. It's going to be 10 into 70. 10 goes into 7 times. So that would be 70. So when we convert that, it's going to be they won 70% of their game. Okay, so that was number 2. Let's do number 3 now. Pretty similar. Let me erase this for you guys. Okay, number 3 says there's 20 students in the class. 20. And 12 passed the history test. So once again, we're going to put the 12 who passed over the 20. Once again, we're going to reduce this. So it's going to be 3 over 5. And then what you do to convert that to a decimal, we're going to divide the 5 into the 3, the denominator into the numerator. And we know 5 goes into 36 times. So we're going to have 60% of the students pass the history test. So a lot of you guys is just reading the question and realize it kind of gives you 2 numbers, a 12 out of 20. You're going to put that into a fraction, okay, and you're going to have to divide. Okay. Let me do the first one, because that one's just a straight multiplication problem. Okay, so it says Nancy receives $20,000 as an administrator. If she spends 65% of her salary on expenses, then how much does Nancy have to spend on expenses? So you do 20 times 65%, which is 0.65. So if you do 20 times 0.65, you're going to get 0, 0, 0, 0, 10. And you're going to get 0, 0, 0, 0, 12. So that's going to be $13,000. Okay. So for that one, when you have like a percentage in there, 65% and another number, you know that's going to be a multiplication because it's not asking out of. It's just saying two numbers and you're going to multiply a percent times the whole number. Okay. Let's do, let me see here, number 9. So it says, while mining, John found a large metal bar that weighed 40 ounces. John was able to determine the bar contained 55% nickel. Okay, it's the same thing. So 40 ounces and 55% was nickel. So the 55%, you're going to convert to a decimal, and it's going to be 0.55. So you're going to do 40 times 0.55. And that's going to be 0, 20, 0, 20. So what you're going to get is 22. And it's saying how many ounces? So it's 22 ounces. Okay, that one, once again, is just a straight multiplication problem because it's not saying out of. Out of, you know, you're going to be a fraction because it's one number out of another number. Okay. Now let's do number 10, which is another multiplication problem. So it says in one particular suburb, 20% of the families own a pug. And if there are 25 families in this neighborhood, how many own a pug? So 25 times 0.20. Okay. So you can get 5 families own a pug. Okay. I want to do one more for you. And this one, I want you just to think about, and you might not have to do any multiplication. And it's number 4. Okay, so it says the local department store sweaters have been reduced to $6. And this price is 25% of the original price. Okay. So this number right here, 25%, is 1/4. Okay. So what you know is, so I need to find the other 3/4. But if the price is 6 right here, basically I'm going to add 6 for 1/4, 6. So we have 3/4 and 6. That would equal 4/4. So what you have here is $24. Because you know 25% is 1/4. Okay. So one way of thinking at it is I could do 3/4 times 6. Okay. Or if we're still doing decimals, times 0.75. Because you got to find the other 75%. Or for that one, maybe it's just in your head that you know, okay, so 25 is broken into fours. It's 6, 6, 6, 6. That's going to equal 24. So that one you're going to know. That one's easy because the 25% is $6 off. So the original price was $24. Okay. Let me see here. We'll do one more about division. So it's number 7. Peter answered, so he had 25 questions. 25 questions. And he answered 20% correct. So 20% is going to be 0.2. So if I do 25 times 0.2, that's going to be 10. Oops, excuse me. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. So we got 5 questions right, which probably isn't very good, but maybe it was a really hard test. Okay, so basically, you guys, and I think we covered this, whenever you have a percentage, so like 33%, when you convert that to a decimal, it's going to be 0.33. If you have 67%, you're going to convert it to 0.67. All you really do is move the decimal 2 points, because if you guys remember, it's over 100. So it's, in essence, on this one is 33 over 100. This one's going to be 67 over 100. So that just makes it, for this one, 0.33, and this one, 0.67. So sometimes before you can solve the problem, you're going to have to convert the percent to a decimal. Okay. So what I will do, I'll go ahead and post this, and then I will try to put some more practice up for you guys today. All right, everyone, have a nice day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.